Time. Time is the continuous sequence of events that take place is an apparently irreversible succession from the past through the present to the future. A person lives in this world within a time that is expressed in the same manner. For 10 years ago, you were not the same as you are today, neither in your appearance, nor in your knowledge, nor in your experience. Everything around you changes with the passage of time. Why time is important in our life? Time is one of the most mysterious forces in the universe. Time plays a significant role in our life. Time helps us make good habit of structuring and organizing our daily activities. If you understand the value of time better, you can gain experience and develop skill over time. Time is the most valuable resource because you cannot take it back. Why does time matter so much? Here are 10 reasons why time is so important. 1. Time acts as both a teacher as a healer. Sometimes the only way to get a new healthy outlook on a situation is to give it time. Time teaches us the value of life and make you feel happy to be alive. A difficult or painful situation will seem less bad as time passes. 2. Time is the one thing that you can never get back. Once time has gone, it will never return. 3. Nobody knows how much time they have. People can die at any age and for any reason. 4. Every single thing in the universe is born to time. Gradually all things start again and eventually decay as time progresses. 5. We are aware of 3 stages of time: the past, the present and the future. But the only time we actually have is the present. 6. Time affects happiness. A person's perspective of time has a big impact on their happiness and peace of mind. 7. Mastering our valuable time is eventually managing it poorly or well has a hug impact on life. 8. Skill development takes time. Whether that skill is what you love or what you think is best for your future, it depends on how much time you invest. 9. Relationships are made or broken due to the amount of time you invest. The amount of time you invest in often the main difference between a deep relationship, loyalty, and one that's shallow. 10. Everyone has the same 24 hours a day, so no one can complain about not having time for the thing they want to do. Time management. Based on what we have mentioned about the importance of time in our life, it is the duty of the rational person to preserve the time that is in his hand and not to waste this time without proper exploitation and benefit us. So we must learn to manage time because of its importance. Schedule the day according to the concern that you may be experiencing, especially for people who are employed. So they should not let the day is just a working day during the job and then after they return home there is no activity or achievement. Rather, you should not take rest and comfort your request, but rather what your body needs from time to time without expelling you.